kinks? It is NappyFu all up on your screen, and today is a nap chat video. I want to talk to you about protective styling, especially for the kinkier texture. Team 4C on. Is it really necessary? What ways to do it? What are the harms of it? Pros, cons, all that good stuff. I want to address it right now. Are you ready? NappyFu checking in. Let go. Thank you for joining me for another nap chat video on this wonderful Sunday. Today, I'm just talking. We're just going to be chit-chatting back and forth. Make sure you join the conversations in the comment box below. Although I don't normally like to say this in the beginning, but if you do find yourself liking what we're talking about, or you feel like you're vibing with me, the only way that I will know this is one, you are commenting, you are liking, you are subscribing, and you are sharing the goodness to the world. Okay. It's no secret, based on, if you look at the history of my channel, different hairstyles I've shown, what I'm wearing right now, I'm definitely team protective style, especially on the kinkier texture. Because why? Believe it or not, this is truly the key, one of the keys, uno, okay, to longer, stronger, flourishing, fuller hair, okay? Protective style preserves your hair in several ways. Some will reduce the day-to-day manipulation with styling it, combing it, brushing it, using heat. If you're about that life, that's you, girl. Some protective styles protects you from that consistent daily wear and tear on your kinks. And others will protect your hair from like environmental factors like the sun, snow, pollution, wind, rain, humidity, all of that great stuff that can have an effect on your kink. Now, believe it or not, protective style actually has two different categories. Protective styles, your ends are tucked. Hello? Tucked away. What ends? I don't see them. Where's it at? Your hair could also be completely invisible to the eye, okay? Like me right now. You don't see contour. You might think this is contour right here, but this is contour's big sister, okay? She's protecting contour. That is true protective style because you are protecting the what? If you have been rocking with me for a minute, you already know what I'm about to say. The elders. Yes, you are protecting the elders. We all know the ends of our hair is the thinnest. It's where the cuticle is the thinnest, right? We have to protect that on a consistent basis, a monthly basis, especially the kinkier texture, because our texture is what? More fragile. I don't care what has been said by those people who don't have 4C hair. 4C hair is the most fragile texture, hair type, call it whatever you want to call it. It is point blank and period. That's why protective styling for us really can be very beneficial, because the less we are manipulating our fragile kinks, the more it does flourish into one beautiful blossom of a flower. Okay? Okay. Low manipulation styles. Now, low manipulation styles is a form of protective style in the sense that you are leaving your hair alone. Any low manipulation style to where you can take your spritz bottle, spray, maybe press it in a little bit, going about your business, that's a low manipulation style. If you got a spray comb, you've already thrown yourself out of the category of low manipulating, okay? You are manipulating it now, okay? You're not letting it rest. One caveat to low manipulation styles is your ends are out, which means it is open to gaining, obtaining, suffering through knots, okay? Single strand knots, a full-blown grown woman knot, whatever be the case, okay? Them knots, girl. The massive tangling that can happen with single strand knots as you leave it there and it just grows and starts connecting with all its friends and enemies and everything else can now lead you to what? Breakage, okay? Wear and tear on the elders. And the elders are not gonna be happy. And we all know when grandma is not happy at Thanksgiving dinner, the food don't get cooked right, or it don't get cooked at all, okay? And we didn't travel from New York back to Louisiana for grandma not to cook because she's not happy, okay? So don't miss your meal. Take care of them elders, okay? Ooh. going really far with this. Don't mind me, y'all. Y'all get it. So keep those ends stretched. Keep the ends moisturized. Keep them oiled and keep them well trimmed. So think of protective styling as there's a side of completely protective, ends tucked away. Maybe even your hair is tucked away, i.e. NappyFu right now with his wig. Or there's the low manipulating style. Your ends might be out, but you barely are touching your hair. Once a week to re-moisturize. Once a week to, I don't know, if you grease your scalp, re-grease your scalp. Whatever the situation. Once or twice a week, you might touch your hair. But when you are touching your hair 2 to 3 times in a week, weekly, 4 weeks in a month, every single week, there's 2 to 3 times, that's way too much. Like, leave that sucker alone. Let her be. Let him be. You feel me? Okay. Protective styling. When I say protective styling, I'm including the complete and the low manipulation side, okay? It's a highly effective preservation tool or method, better yet, okay? It has been proven amongst many naturals, women and men, young and old, that when they leave their hair alone, y'all have heard it before, when I leave my hair alone, girl, it be growing like weeds. There's a truth to it. You feel me? So, is it necessary for you to grow your hair? Do you have the protective style, low manipulation style in order for your hair to grow, period? No. Because you know there's those rare individuals who touch their hair all the time. They doing crazy hair colors, flat ironing all the time, always twirling their fingers, and their hair still grows. So it's not necessary, but it's highly recommended. So protective styling is not a hard or fast rule to hair growth. It's just a great adage, right? For us that struggle or have some hurdles to jump over when it comes to obtaining or having optimal growth, right? A lot of the times, let's be real, a lot of our goals is to have longer hair. And there is nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing. But it all depends on the healthy regimen that you have or that you are developing or that you have developed. Okay, I'm hoping by now you developed one. If not, don't worry, you will get there. Trial and error. I'm hoping it's more trial and not so much error. Okay, we don't like setbacks in this life. Okay, don't. And let's just kind of cover a few protective styles that I like. Okay, I absolutely love wigs. That's the first thing. First and foremost, you have to make sure you are doing this the correct way. In another video, I will talk about my struggles with wig life and how I did have a setback with it to where I had to trim my hair quite a bit. It happens, but it's because I was making a mistake. And one thing about mistakes, you have to learn from them so you can do it better. Another one I love are buns. Part in the middle, pull to the back buns. Be mindful of the tension on your part here though when you do those type of styles, okay? I like French rolls. Any type of updo French rolls is really, really cute. Tuck in rolls are adorable. They can be chic, they can be work friendly, going out friendly, date friendly, whatever be the case. Pinned up styles can be really cute as well. You can even add in hair to do stuff like that. So you can get creative with it, but the goal again is keep the ends. The goal again to complete protective style is ends are tucked away. Low manipulation styles, your braid outs, twist outs, roller sets, spiral sets, finger coils, and even short hair is a low manipulation style. It's already styled, technically. And now we have come to today's Snapchat question. I want to know from you, Team Kinks. Let me know if you are a complete protective styler and how it has helped your natural hair journey. And to those who are more of a low manipulation protective style, your hair is out, but it's been working for you. You have more pros and you have cons. Let us know your experience in the comment box below. Believe it or not, there's still a lot of people that are embracing their natural hair nowadays. It is continuous flow of new people coming into their natural. So these kind of questions, your responses definitely will help the next natural out. Thanks in advance. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please go ahead and help your girl out by hitting that subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you can be notified the next time that I am all up on your screen. Also, if you're bored during the week, come on and hang out with me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, all of that. And I will catch you on the next one. By the grace of God, me and my role will be back on your screen very soon, okay? Until then, remember, bring your ear, listen well. Remember, to have healthy hair, you got to do healthy things consistently. NappyFu checking out. Deuces. If I told you you were
If I told you you were, if I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful, beautiful. If I told you you were beautiful.